Hey, so I just wanted to show you how I did this recording and like some things I'm thinking about using it with. So I'm on Screencast-O-Matic, so I think I can even show it right now. There we go. So I changed my screen so you can see like I'm on Screencast-O-Matic. I can make the screen bigger. I'm literally just playing with this right now. So you can change the size of the screen or change what part of your screen that you're recording, so you don't have to record your whole screen. Like if you were doing, like I know I have virtual labs that only, like you can't make them bigger, they're only this much of the screen. Well, you can shrink it to just that much, and then on your kid's screen it'll be much bigger. But you can see like I'm even in it, so like I can be like, hi, I'm teaching. The reason why I was really interested was I use PowerPoints or Google Slides, things like that, or virtual labs that like I wish they could like see me talking while I was doing things. Like I might have a little demo that I want to add into it, or really just for that personal connection thing to see me teaching. So I could pull up a PowerPoint. I'm still here. You're still seeing my screen. It's not perfect right now because I haven't put it on slideshow, but I can do that. So like, oh, here we are. We're in my slideshow. I need to scoot the screen over, but you can get the point. Now I'm in the way, so you can actually move yourself like with a picture of you while you're talking. So like if you had forgotten to make a corner in your PowerPoint where you could be, you could move your little face around the screen until it fit in a good spot. And then you could just talk your way through the PowerPoint. So you can see I'm not moving. Move me up here like, hey, okay, I'm going to talk a little bit. Go to the next slide. Oh, I guess I have to set it down and then click. It's really cool because then when I'm done with everything, you would go down here at the bottom and hit stop. And once you hit say you're done with the video, it takes you right back to Screencast-O-Matic. And I'm just doing the free trial right now. You don't have to pay to make a video, and then you can actually choose to upload it straight to YouTube. So as long as you have a YouTube account, it uploads straight to YouTube. It was so easy, and then I have a YouTube video. Now, why I want something like that is because I'm thinking of using my YouTube videos and then embedding them into Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is another website you can use, but when you download a video into Edpuzzle, your students have to have their own little accounts. They have to have a username or a password. They get into Edpuzzle. They go to your class, so they have like a little code, and they have to watch the video that you've assigned them, and you can embed questions inside the video. So like I could have embedded questions about things that I just said in my lecture that now they have to answer those questions directly in Edpuzzle, and it grades it for you if you set it up that way. So it could already have like assignment grades based on my lecture, and then I would know they actually watched my video, which was kind of like my big issue during the closure. Was I would make YouTube videos, not like this. I wasn't really doing my lectures. I was just posting PowerPoints hoping they read them, which they probably didn't. So now I'm really trying to get it like they'll get the material, I'll still be seeing it, and then if I put it on Edpuzzle, they have to watch it, because you can't skip ahead. You have to watch till you get to the embedded question, and then they have to answer the question. And that's how they'll finish their assignments. Like, they at least have to have the video on. I guess I can't force them to sit in their seat. But I feel like that is my best option to make sure the kids are hopefully getting the actual lesson, watching the video, actually recording the question. It'd be much harder to cheat because everyone has their own account. So that's kind of why I wanted to do this. And you don't have to just record PowerPoints. You can record literally anything on your screen. The only downfall that I've seen to this is that if you can only talk for 15 minutes. So like right now I've talked for 4 minutes. I can only talk for 11 more minutes. So you do have to keep it short, which I mean, we probably should be. Like 15 minutes is, that's kind of a pretty good expectation of how long they should be listening to a lecture anyways. So I don't think that's bad, but you will have to not talk longer than 15 minutes. But that's really it. So now I'm just going to go down here. I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and it's just that simple.